Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Make sure the watch has at least 20% charge and your phone is nearby with Bluetooth enabled. Open the Galaxy Wearable app now and select your Galaxy Watch Ultra. This links device settings. Once done, install and sign into the Google Assistant app on your phone because the watch needs the Assistant service to route commands. You're starting the change here to avoid wasted steps later. This setup ensures both devices can exchange assistant preferences immediately. Now you configure the default assistant. In the Galaxy Wearable app, tap Watch Settings, then Apps and Default Apps to find Voice Assistant. Choose Google Assistant. This tells the watch which assistant to launch for voice actions. If Google Assistant doesn't appear, make sure you granted microphone and phone pairing permissions to the Assistant app. Then restart both watch and phone to refresh service listings. You're changing the default so voice wake and button mappings will route to Google, not Bixby. Finish by remapping the physical key. On the watch, go to Watch Settings, Advanced, Customize Key and assign Google Assistant to the hold action. Then test. Hold the side key and say a command. Listen for Google's voice response and check actions like reminders or navigation. If it fails, try reinstalling Google Assistant, update the watch OS and phone software, and clear the Assistant app cache. These steps resolve most conflicts between Bixby and Google and restore expected voice behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.